Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your YouTube app keeps on crashing or auto-closing on an Android phone. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you need to do or you can do here is to clear the cache and data of your YouTube app. So to do that, just go into your settings app and then just go into the apps right here and find manage apps. So once you are in here, just simply scroll down from this one, or you can just simply search for YouTube just like so, and then hit YouTube. And then once you're here, just tap the storage and tap right here clear data, or tap clear all data and clear cache. And once you do that, check if the problem still persists, and if it still does persist, what you can do next is to update your YouTube app from Play Store. So go into your Play Store, search for YouTube just like so, search it, and if an update is available, then just simply install it into your device. So you'll know an update is available if it says right here update, not instead of open button. And then next, what you can do is to reboot your device. So if you're familiar with fixing issues on your device, you probably know how effective it is to reboot your phone. So it's not just a gimmick or a mere word of mouth. Restarting any gadget can fix many problems. So you have it within one go without having to endure much stress. And then what you can do lastly is to make sure that or to check for a system update for your phone. So when you now have free storage, or just make sure first before you check for a system update is to check if you have enough storage on your device. And when you know that you have enough free storage and YouTube has not stopped crashing, just check for updates on your phone and install it on availability, and this ensures you have the latest security patch, bug fixes, and improve overall software experience. So that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having a trouble with your YouTube app. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.